Introduction. CSS gradients create smooth transitions between colors. They add depth and texture to web design. CSS gradients are part of CSS3 and supported in most modern browsers. Types of CSS gradients: linear gradients transition colors along a straight line. Radial gradients transition colors in a circular manner. Linear gradients, defined using the linear gradient function. Direction can be an angle or a keyword, top, bottom, left, right. Color stops are the colors you want to transition smoothly. Example, background linear gradient to right, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Radial gradients, defined using the radial gradient function. Shape can be circle or ellipse. Size can be farthest corner, closest side, closest corner, farthest side, or a length value. Position is defined by two keywords or specific position in pixels. Example, background radial gradient circle at center, red, yellow, green. Tips and tricks. Gradients can create various visual effects. Specify a fallback color for browsers that don't support CSS gradients. Example of fallback color: background red. Fallback color: background linear gradient to right, red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, violet. Common errors and how to avoid them. Ensure correct syntax, correct number of parentheses and commas, direction or position, followed by color stops. Avoid unsupported or incorrect values. Test gradients on multiple browsers and devices. Conclusion: CSS gradients are powerful tools for web designers. It's important to understand how to use and troubleshoot CSS gradients. With practice, you can create complex gradients.